Lord, sugat ko si Pastor Bahem. Uy, Brother James, nag-enlighten ka lang. Mga pagkaon eh, o gamit, ubuli ka rin na nasor, no? Magtabang mo ka rin.
Wala ko nag-expect ba? Dessert to malay dali no? Grabe. Nanonood na ako mga awas sa ilong.
Excuse me. You want biscuit?
Yes, thank you. I want to tell you Mr. Dad.
Can I ask a question? Do you know Jesus Christ?
Yes, he's a prophet.
No. He is God. He died on the cross to save you. Believe in me.
Stop! Man. Let's go! Let's monitor that group. We are missionaries. Inspire them.